Hello and assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all, my YouTube family and my lovely friends? I hope my all sweet friends are good and happy. God bless you all and always be happy, friends. First of all, thank you so much, friends, for watching my previous videos and supporting me. Secondly, you can see in this video I am providing you gorgeous and trendy beautiful wall mirror decoration ideas. So friends, don't skip this video, watch the video start to end, because all of these designs are so stunning and so unique and useful, especially for decoration lovers. I hope you all love this type of amazing collection. So viewers, share this video with your family and lovely friends who want these type of beautiful wall mirror decoration ideas. I hope they will love these amazing collection. You know guys, different people have different choices and they love different type of colors. So in this video you will see different colors, different decent and unique designs. You can apply these designs on your walls for more beautiful and classical look. Thank you friends for watching this video. For those people who searching beautiful and outclass collection, it's an amazing collection for them. They will get new designs and new ideas related to your decoration. So friend, if you all love these articles and if you want more designs and more ideas, so like my video, subscribe my channel. Please don't forget to press the bell icon for new and latest update. Be connected with me, friends. Remember me in your precious prayers. Okay my lovely friends, goodbye, see you soon and Allah Hafiz.